Elon Musk just made a groundbreaking revelation that might revolutionize the electric vehicle (EV) market, especially for Tesla. It is evidence of the tech expert's vision and ambition. I'm going to launch an initiative to try and comprehend the nature of the cosmos called TruthGBT, or Maximum Truth Seeking AI. I believe this could be the most effective route to safety, declared Musk. Elon Musk launched his own artificial intelligence this weekend, as he had promised back in April. Elon Musk unveiled Grok, the most recent AI chatbot to join the market, yesterday. His AI startup, XAI, tested the technology on a small sample of X users. Even some of the recent results losers are starting to show some love in the bouncing equities market. This includes Tesla, which saw a meltdown following its early season report, according to an expert. Come on, let's trade and discuss cars. Tom White is in the studio with me, and Gareth Nelson, a CF Vice President and Senior Equity Analyst, is joining us on the line. All right, Gareth, let's start by looking at Tesla, because the company is currently seeing a significant stock rebound. What has to occur for Tesla to somewhat change the story following its earnings? Yes, I appreciate being here. The last few months have seen a significant decline in the stock, but we see this as a buying opportunity. Even though Tesla is unaffected by the UAW strikes, the entire industry has been negatively impacted. Other challenges, primarily associated with the broader adoption of EVs, have placed a significant burden on Tesla, and their most recent earnings call wasn't particularly encouraging, bringing up some concerns regarding the Cybertruck, the potential margins on that car, and the rise in manufacturing. However, we believe that these worries are exaggerated. Tesla already had a labor cost advantage of between 35 and 40% over the Detroit 3, and that advantage will only grow with the new agreement, which we anticipate being approved later this month. Therefore, we believe that Tesla continues to be one of the industry's strongest earnings growth stories, and we are buys at these prices. Though we all knew about Tesla's price cuts and how insightful those results were in terms of post-price cuts and margin contraction, I was kind of surprised, or maybe not. Regardless, I thought the effort to replenish Tesla shares on earnings was noteworthy. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it seems to me that Tesla's operational and gross margins from the prior quarter were at least comparable, if not higher than those of GM and Ford. This suggests that Tesla's margins are still superior to those of its counterparts. And while I didn't check GM and Ford after their reports, the margin comparison does seem to favor Tesla, don't you think? Yes, even with the reduction, their margins have improved significantly. Much improved. Really, how is that not the current point where the rubber meets the road? They have the technology and the scale for EVs, but it seems like the margin is a major factor in this situation. It would be one thing if the established firms had a fantastic EV supply chain in place now. Without a certain, and if you take a look at who is manufacturing EVs, we believe Tesla to be among the few that is genuinely profitable from EV sales. In fact, they are profitable. Ford anticipates losing $4.5 billion on EV sales this year. Ford is the only Detroit 3 automaker to break out its EV sector. Contrast that with the earnings Tesla is generating. The play EV firm is Tesla. Additionally, Tesla's lead over the competition will grow as a result of the Detroit 3 now slowing down the development of EVs. Grok, the newest AI chatbot that Elon Musk unveiled, is not your typical chatbot. It is driven by an extensive language model that can provide nearly any answer and even recommend more queries to ask. Some users of X, previously known as Twitter, can already access this program, but there may be more uses for it, particularly for Elon Musk's Tesla company. However, what is Grok's relationship to Tesla, and how may these two breakthroughs from Musk's firms be combined? We'll start by discussing how Grok will revolutionize the automotive industry and how it might improve Tesla's earnings, standing, and inventiveness. Next, we'll examine the difficulties and dangers that Grok presents for Tesla and society at large. This has the potential to completely transform driving a Tesla. SpaceX, Neuralink, and Tesla are just a few of Elon Musk's bold and audacious enterprises that have achieved success in their respective fields. His most recent endeavor, XAI, is an artificial intelligence startup with the goal of developing Grok, a potent language model that is capable of witty and sardonic responses to nearly any query. Beyond this, Tesla may be able to totally transform the EV market with it as a potent instrument. Welcome back to Tesla Tomorrow, everyone. Musk's XAI company's first product, Grok, is made to respond to complex queries that most AI systems would refuse. This software's data derived from Musk's social media site X is one of its main advantages. Unlike other AI models that rely on static datasets, Grok is able to stay up to date on the newest advances thanks to this dynamic data source. Additionally, Grok has a rebellious attitude and is built to answer with a hint of wit, which gives its interactions a special dimension. However, that is merely to familiarize you with the larger fish. The most important query is how Grok will enrich Tesla, Musk's electric vehicle business. Let's investigate. But before we do, please make sure you subscribe, press the like button, and enable post alerts if you enjoy this kind of content so you can stay updated on all things Tesla. One sector of the economy that is undoubtedly poised for significant AI development is transportation. Trip planners and self-driving cars are just two examples of how AI may drastically change how humans are impacted by technology. Autonomous cars are not yet perfect, but eventually they will transport us from place to place. Tesla has significantly increased the capability of its self-driving software because to advancements in AI language. The humanoid robots will be powered by the A-based FSD software. FSD is a separate animal, even though Tesla has long provided a driver assistance system called Autopilot that can steer, brake, and accelerate its vehicles on highways. In an effort to solidify Tesla's standing as a top automaker, this technology is being attempted to be applied to city streets as well as highways. Grok might be one more tool in Tesla's arsenal to win the EV competition. After discussing that, let's go on to the important query. Grok has a number of options for increasing Tesla's income and sales. Initially, Grok might be incorporated into Tesla automobiles as a smart assistant, offering passengers and drivers information, entertainment, and navigation. In order to improve the usefulness and safety of other Tesla features like Autopilot, Sentry Mode, and even FSD, it might possibly communicate with them. Additionally, this software might assist Tesla owners in scheduling maintenance appointments or troubleshooting faults with their vehicles. Elon Musk also alluded to the potential integration of a condensed form of XAI's Grok AI tool into Tesla's array of auto technologies. According to the tech expert's view, Tesla will likely have the most user-friendly interface compute in the world if its Car Eye computer is capable of running the model. This claim suggests that Tesla may have a strong user interface that makes use of Grok's features to improve a number of aspects of driving. A new, intelligent, user-friendly, and AI-driven driving experience for Tesla owners worldwide may be ushered in by the collaboration between Grok and Tesla automobiles as XAI continues to advance its technology and collaborate with a wide spectrum of talents. First off, we think Grok might be a differentiator for Tesla, drawing in additional users who are looking for an entertaining and knowledgeable traveling companion. The incorporation of XAI's Grok into Tesla automobiles gives the automaker another intriguing competitive advantage and may signify yet another significant advancement in Elon Musk's mission to transform transportation in the future. Long-term, Elon Musk's new AI might be employed by Tesla as a marketing tool, creating interesting and viral material for social media sites like X, which he also controls. For Tesla's goods, Grok may create satirical tweets, blogs, memes, videos, and the like, highlighting the company's accomplishments and answering queries and comments from both current and prospective users. It might even provide amusing and educational evaluations, contrasts, and testimonies for Tesla automobiles, emphasizing their advantages over rival models. The specific uses of Grok inside the Tesla ecosystem are still being worked out, but there is definitely promise for better voice commands and user interfaces. In a more sophisticated scenario, Tesla might use Grok as a research and development tool to help it create and enhance its goods and services by examining a ton of data, including user reviews, industry trends, rival plans, and technical breakthroughs. For Tesla's engineers and designers, the AI might offer advice and insights. Additionally, Grok might come up with original and imaginative ideas for new models, features, designs, and uses for Tesla automobiles, which would help the company stay ahead.